All right,
Yeah.
so let's go ahead and move on to our next topic here. Rumor. Apple's VR headset could cost 3 grand and have 8K displays. RC Mail
Yeah.
posted this on the forum, and let's run you through the details here. Could feature two 8K displays and have a price tag of 3 grand, man. I mean, well, with that said, it's not like Valve didn't release the Index and like that's doing great apparently at $1,200. So if
Well, people will buy it, no question.
yeah, no question whatsoever. The
At least
headset,
one model is expected to have 12 cameras for AR and hand tracking. That's crazy. The
cool.
headset will also have a LiDAR sensor to quickly generate a 3D map of your room, which is actually creepy but super cool at the same time. Hopefully that's all local. Apple is still testing various input methods, including things worn on your fingers, reading body movement, and a knob in the headset. Don't know what that's about, but yeah. I mean, that would be super cool. We've said countless times on the WAN show that Apple is very happy. You know exactly where I'm going. Apple is very happy to watch a bunch of people break into a new segment and trudge through the beginning of it, and then come in and be like, "Here you go. Here's the ready for market one." So yeah, I would love to see this come out, and I would love to see it do really well. That would be very good for VR as a whole. Like, however much you like or dislike Apple, it like doesn't matter, because if they bring this to market and it does really well, that will bring other things to market that will also do really well. This would be very good for VR as a whole.
I worry about Apple. I don't worry about Apple. Apple's fine. I just mean I worry that Apple's approach will not win me over. I mean, they've shown time and time again a disdain for gamers.
If they popularize it,
yeah,
there's like we see this all the time. Like a few random companies will make some janky things, and we're like, these are cool, but they're not there yet. And then Apple will make it, and it'll be there now,
and everyone will clone it,
right.
and it'll be better in a lot of ways, but it could actually be worse in a lot of ways. You know, like the whole notch trend thing that I really wish never happened.
Fair. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I don't know. I still think I'm still rooting for good, because I think a lot of what VR needs right now is just more market adoption.
Sure, that's fair.
It just needs more people to start using it. More and more and more and more people just need to start using it, and we'll get better solutions. Because like even the Index, and see, this is why all the VR subreddits and stuff hate me. Even the Index, as fantastic as it is pretty rough.
Yeah, it's not perfect. Oculus's lenses are so much better than Valve's. It's heavy. The speakers are great. Those speakers are like,
the speakers are fantastic. The mic
magic.
is like
unbelievable.
Really good.
It's unbelievable.
That blew my mind. Absolutely blew my mind.
Yeah.
There's some things that are really good about it, but you still need to like drill a bunch of stuff into your walls.
Yeah. And it's like Steam VR updates can be really clunky. And, you know, when you decide, okay, I'm going to play VR, you don't just throw on your headset and go. Because mine's on my TV. So I got to go get my like remote control, like headset or handset thing. I got to like log into Windows. I got to open up Steam. Okay, technically you can just turn on the controller and it'll fire up. But it like sometimes it doesn't work properly, or I'll get into Beat Saber.
I feel like most people start up on their computer first.
And like one of my sabers is stuck on the floor, even though it works when I like go into the menu, it's tracking just fine, but then the game doesn't have it, and I gotta restart the entire Steam VR thing in order to get it working. Like these early adopter growing pains are like they're still there. It's been 3 years.
Yeah.
4 years or whatever.
It's a great experience, and that's awesome and whatnot, but like it's not 100% there. You still have to map your room out by walking around it with a controller, so you have all these like hard edges, and it can't deal with oddly shaped rooms very well. It has issues with reflections. There's like all this stuff that like we do need to eventually get over, and it's great right now, but yeah, there's so much better in the future. There will be so much better.